Hello, I am Richa Vadwani. Welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a month since I posted my first video, and I was supposed to upload a video every week, but yeah, I have my reasons, okay? So last month was really hectic for me. I had my exams, over that I went out for a week, and yeah, okay, I am a great procrastinator, but okay, I'm here now. So, let's started with the video. This video, as you read the title, is about my 5-step skincare routine. I'll be doing my skincare, and step-wise I'll explain to you everything about the products I use, their prices, and a review, you can say. So yeah, let's get started. This is not the first step, but this is the basic thing you do before skincare. So I have washed my face using my Wow Upton face wash. This is 150 ml and it's for 400 rupees. The next you'll need is a cleanser or a cleansing milk. This is Vedic Line cleansing milk. It's for 160 rupees and I love this so much. See, I've used most of it. It's almost finished. So what you do is, okay, this is also not the step. This is the basic thing, like cleansing is the most basic thing you do. So yeah, you just take some product and apply it on your face. And massage it for a while, like 2 minutes. Massage your face using your fingers. Yeah, now you take cotton and you just wipe it out. So this cleanses your face. This removes excess dirt. Well, it's not just the skincare, like you should do it every day using cleanser. It also moisturizes your skin now. So it's really good. Also, before you do makeup, before you apply makeup, you use a cleanser. So it's a 3-step process before you apply a makeup. CTM, it's called cleanser, toner and moisturizer. Well, we are not doing makeup today, but yeah, general information. ऐसी time pass. I look like Anjali from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai in this. Damn. Now we jump to the main 5-step process of our skincare. So the first step is toner. I am using this Biotique Bio Honey Water. This is a toner. I got this for 175 rupees. Also, most of my products, most of my skincare products and my makeup, I get it from Myntra. So I'll attach the link in my description below. You can just tap the link and buy it from there. So yeah, this is for 175 rupees, Biotique Bio Honey Water. This is a toner. How you use a toner? You take a cotton or cotton pad. I prefer cotton pad, but I am short of that right now. So I'm using cotton. You dip cotton in the toner and you dab it all over your face, over the cleanser. It smells so bad, but it's so good for your skin. It opens all your pores so that the whatever product you'll use now, it will go directly into your skin. ये जलता भी है थोड़ा. feel like someone's put acetone inside my nose. Also, if you have a lot of pimples, don't use a toner please, because जलन सहन नहीं कर पाओगे. या फिर कोई चोट लगी है तो उसके ऊपर भी डोंट यूज़ अ टोनर. Yeah, we are done here. So this was the first step, applying a toner. Alright. I'm growing nails, but I ate most of them. I ate this one, I ate this. I ate this one yesterday, yaar. But I'll grow them back. It's okay. Also, growing nails is a very big thing for me, right? Every time I get anxious, I get angry, I just bite my nails. So it is a very bad habit of mine. I gotta change that. And I'm controlling. Thanks to a friend, I'm controlling. Yeah. So for the second step, we will use a scrub. Now this is Bella Vita Organics face and body scrub, and I love this so much. It's like affordable and it's so good, like it suits me so well. It's for 400 rupees, I guess. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's for 399, and a good quantity. It has a good quantity. I've used this for 8 to 10 times and it's still this full. So yeah, totally recommend it. Also, I didn't get this from Myntra. I got this and another lip scrub from Bella Vita Organics from its main site. Yeah, I'll attach the link of that too. Now, how do you use a scrub? You wet your face like a little bit using just hands, and then you take a fair amount of scrub and you just rub it. You see the motion using your fingers. Don't use your palm, use your fingers, and avoid the scrub getting into your eyes. Circular movements under the eyes. You do it for like 5 minutes. And also scrubs are harsh, right? So don't rub it, like don't put a lot of pressure to it. It's your face, right? It's your skin. You don't go harsh on it. Go gentle. And yeah, continue it till you satisfy yourself. It gets dried after a while, so you can put your hands in the water so it will get wet, and then you can continue the process again. What scrub does is scrub exfoliates your skin, and like a scrub also has some additional properties to it. Like the scrub I'm using, it has coffee and what does it have? It has coffee and what? It's written here. Wait, I'll tell you. So this has coffee, coconut oil, rock salt, walnut. So it benefits your skin. Some way or the other it does. And yeah, the rock salt and the harshness, the जो पत्थर सा लगता है ना, so so that exfoliates your skin. Also, I do not do this 5-step skincare routine like every week. I do this twice a month or maybe once a month whenever I get time or whenever I feel like doing it. Do not do it every now and then because it's your skin after all, and all these products are chemicals. Even if you use natural products, doing too much skincare is always harmful. But do not overdo skincare. It's bad for your skin. Now that I'm done with this, you never wash your face. You take a wet towel soaked in warm water, not cold water, warm water, and you just wipe it around your face so that the product gets removed. Do not wash your face, okay? Now this was the second step. The third step is a face pack. Yes, face pack. So this is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar face pack. I got this for 140 rupees from Myntra. And yeah, this is a nice face pack. Biotique is actually a nice brand. It suits me. I don't know about anyone else, but it suits me. Every product of Biotique. I even use my eyeliner. My eyeliner is also from Biotique. So I love this brand. It's affordable and it's natural. I hope they pay me for marketing their products. Maybe someday. Nobody knows. Yeah, I'm done. So now we'll wait for 15 or 20 minutes till this dries up.
20 minutes later.
So now it's been 20 minutes and it's all nice and dry. I'll take again a napkin, soak it in warm water and wipe the face pack. Yeah. Yeah, so this was our fourth step. No, this was the third step, right? Yeah, this was the third step. Now the fourth step is face mask. I'm using this Nykaa Skin Secrets Black Mud and Aloe Vera face mask. I got this from Nykaa. It's for 100 rupees. Now almost everyone knows how to use a face mask. You take it out of the packet, unfold it, and my face is too small for this. आधे से ज़्यादा बाहर रहता है ये मेरे फेस के. So you apply. Face masks are basically very thin cotton pads dipped in serum. So when you apply it, the serum in it gets absorbed by our skin And yeah, that's it. That's what a face mask does. So I'll leave it like this for again 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Yes.
15 minutes later.
तो अभी 15 मिनट हो गए हैं. So I'll just take this out. And so now the serum which is left in your skin, you massage it all over your face using your fingers till it fully gets absorbed. See, you can see the difference, right? My skin looked so dull and pale before I started this video. And now it's all shiny, bubbly, and it's nice. So now that all the serum is absorbed by my skin, we'll jump to the final step, the fifth step. It is applying any face serum or moisturizer. I prefer this Good Vibes Vitamin C serum, but if you don't have this, you can also use any moisturizer, your daily moisturizer. So this Vitamin C serum Good Vibes, I got it for 275 rupees from Myntra. And how do you use a face serum? See, it has a nice dropper, जिससे छोटे बच्चों की दवाइयों में रहता है ना, वैसा वाला. So you press it a little so it collects some product. A few drops is enough. Yeah. Yes. So here we are done with the 5-step skincare routine. Tell me in the comment section if you liked it. Give a thumbs up to this video. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you later. Bye bye.